Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Tag Manager container from GTM, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a Google Tag Manager container, first, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the account that contains the container you wish to uninstall. Once in the account, navigate to the Workspace section. In the top left corner, click on the container name to access that specific container. Next, look for the admin option in the left sidebar and click on it. Within the admin section, locate the container column. Under the container column, select Container Settings. In the Container Settings menu, you will find the container ID at the top. Make a note of this ID for your records, as it identifies your container. Now, go back to the main menu and click on Versions in the left sidebar. Here, you can review all versions of your container. To remove a container version, click on the three dots next to the version you wish to delete. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. Confirm your action to permanently delete the selected version. Next, if you want to remove the entire container, return to the admin section. Under the container column, click on Container Settings once again. Scroll down until you see the option to delete container. Click on Delete Container to proceed. A confirmation dialog will appear. Read the warning carefully. If you are sure about your decision, confirm the deletion. After confirming, your Google Tag Manager container will be uninstalled. Ensure that any linked tags or triggers are also removed from your website. Finally, verify through your website source code that the GTM container code is no longer present. This completes the process of uninstalling a Google Tag Manager container. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.